Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. We're taking the PolarKraft over to Blue Marsh. It recently rained, but we're going to try it anyway. It is a windy day at Blue Marsh, but we're going out. There's the boat. Up in this cove here, fish up in this cove. Hanging out, spinning. Hey, your hat matches your life jacket, buddy.
Yeah.
We'll hit that sandbar pretty soon. Let me know when you see shallow. Okay, I'm in neutral. Get across the sandbar. There's a turtle, Callen. See the turtle?
Yeah, look at that.
He's right on that tree branch. Huh?
Sunning himself.
Okay. I want to start in the back. Those big beds were back in there. I don't know if they're on them yet. In that cooler, Doug, there's redworms and night crawlers. The night crawlers are, I think, the blue.
I have to use the night crawlers.
Okay.
What rod do you want?
I'll just grab this one. Eventually I'll use my white one, but the string is too loose on there. I gotta do some work on that one. If those rods are in the way, you can lay them down in the side.
What is Daddy doing?
He's getting the worms. Okay.
Blue one?
Yeah. Okay.
Daddy, that's the taller ones.
Those are night crawlers.
Get your hook set up here.
Yeah, that's the rate I said to Pops that I was going to use that, got it?
You using what?
Taller rate.
Okay. That one doesn't have a hook.
Yeah, that one I have to work on.
Okay.
And enough.
You ready, Callen?
Yeah, that's it.
Just lay it with that, Ron. Okay. Let me wash my hands off.
Hey, maybe we'll get a bite.
It wobbles a little bit because it's a little boat. Did you put it? Oh, you need a worm. If we can find it on the shade line. Callen's in charge of the worms.
Okay, you're the worm.
He's the worm guru.
Yeah, I'm going to stay in the mouth, right?
You got it. Okay. Get your line over there. What's that?
Why is it all tilting?
Because I'm sitting on this one. I lean over, it leans a little bit, but it won't splash in. See what we got here.
The heron, buddy. Look, green heron on the tree.
Where's he at?
Right on the tree walking.
Oh yeah, the little one.
Yep. He's stealing our fish, bud.
Yeah.
There's that turtle.
He's still on the tree.
Yeah.
Look, there he goes. Could be a big cat.
Nope, it's definitely
A stickfish. The
Popped
famous,
up in
the famous stickfish. That turtle wasn't interested in moving.
catch turtle. Had a bite.
How do you do this? Let's see if you caught something.
All right,
No, I had a bite. Daddy was not ready.
Okay. There you go, Callen. You're over there. Cast over here.
Let's see if we catch anything. What's going to be in here, Pop?
Well, there could be a bass in here, but your dad and I caught a trout in here one time. And we caught bass in here, and we caught sunnies. But the water was a little warmer. So the water's a little chilly today for bass. But you never know, maybe a catfish will be feeding up there in the shallows. had some nibbles there.
Is it?
Yeah. You get back in there.
Dad, can you stay away from pots too?
I'm over here. I'm not.
Try that spot, Doug, by that tree right in front of you.
Okay. I see some of the top like a little. I think that's the sunfish or little bass.
Yeah, right in there. They were hitting it on the sink. Here you go. This one seems a little bigger.
Come on, Callen.
Whoa, look at that one.
Whoa!
That's a nice big bluegill, huh?
Wow!
You keep catching them. You know how to reel them in, huh?
Good job, buddy.
Oh.
Let me get this hook off of him, okay?
Isn't he funny? This is our first nest fish of the day.
That's a nice bluegill, huh?
Let's take the picture of him.
Hey, I got him on the camera. It's a nice bluegill. There we go. Now we got him. Should we put him back?
Yeah, that one's a little too small.
Go ahead. Captain Callen is driving the boat. How do you like that engine, Captain Callen?
Good.
Yeah, he's driving the old Honda. See if they dive. I mean, a lot of people do that when they don't have the title, but it's a pain to get a title, so you got to really buy it at a discount. Yeah, wait till I'm stopped, Doug, before you try to get out. Okay, wait, Callen. Wait. Here's the dock line, Doug. Okay, Callen, you want to jump up while we're real close? I'm gonna drive it on.
Okay.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, it helps me out a lot. Also ring that bell and you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And give the video a thumbs up, that helps too. But more important than all that, go have some fun out there, right, Callen? Thanks for watching.